Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Dhananjay S.R. Nayak, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about data structure and applications. Topic: non-blocking data structure for distributed memory machines. Stacks as an example. Abstract: non-blocking data structure are an essential part of many parallel applications in that they can help to improve fault tolerance and performance. Although these are the scores of non-blocking data structures such as stacks, queues, DAO, blended queues, dequeues, lists is widely used in practice, most of them are designed to be used on memory setting. Several recent studies focus on the development of novel tailor-made distributed non-blocking data structure and omit the potential for adapting a great wealth of existing shared memory non-blocking ones of the distribution memory cache. Hence, we propose a general approach to bridge a gap between the most existing non-blocking data structure and distributed memory machines in this work. Several challenges such as safe memory recognition and solving the ABA problem must be overcome. So in this paper, we present a global memory management scheme to address these issues. The scheme takes advantage of hazardous pointers which are widely used to tackle the problems in the shared memory environments. To demonstrate our general approach, we have the stacks as a typical example of non-blocking data structure. This provides a survey of well-known non-blocking stacks algorithms, along with the analysis and evolutions of distributed memory environments. Moreover, this paper depicts how to improve performance of a stack algorithm by making use of node information. Index terms algorithm by making use of node information index terms, non-blocking data structure, distributed memory machines, non-blocking stacks, global memory recognition, ABA problem. Blocking and non-blocking synchromorphism concurrent data structures are counters like queue, list, and linked list, which is the data structure. Introduction: data structure and algorithms. Concurrent data structure DSEs plays a vital role in parallel program 1 and 2. A well-structured program is only efficient if in the use of DSEs are purposed and support high performance. Concurrent DSEs are used of the automatic memory options, AMOs, and synchronized and execution between processor threads. They can typically be divided into main two categories: blocking DSS, which usually utilize well-known lock-based mechanisms such as test and set lock, MCS lock, name but a few, and non-blocking that directly take advantage of AMOs such as automatic reads, writes, redefine, primitive, and so on. There are three levels of non-blocking in terms of progress guarantee, ranking from the low high level: obstruction freedom, lock free, and wait freedom. So some of the main contributions of the work are the following. We propose a general PGS-based approach of false pointings of DSS-SMS and synchronizing the global memory. We introduced our global memory management scheme, which can safely used as the global memory that can avoid ABA problem. We can provide a survey as most well-known non-blocking stack algorithms along with the analysis and evolution of DMMS. So we also show an optimized performance of a distributed version of stack using taking advantage of the node information. Consequently, the performance of the stack is improved significantly. Data structure algorithms. So these are the diagrams of the connect the experts to new knowledge like sorting, linked list, spanning tree, stack, graph, hashing. Literature review. So the popular non-blocking stacks are SMSMS. SMMS, the non-blocking assignment. Non-blocking assignment is also known as RTL assignment, is used to always block triggered by a clock edge, meaning register, transfer level, semantics, or flip-flop changes together. So this implements a three parallel flip-flops always at the post edge click beginning, like if you have B equals A, C equals B, D equals C, then AND. So when you implement the shift register always at the begin. So it gives the DCB equals ABC or CBA, and it gives N. So this implements like that. It's B is greater than A, C is greater than B, and D is greater than C. So where that is the ending. So these are the popular non-blocking stacks of SSMS. So these are the numerous blocking like in the literature in the section. So you have TS19 animation back of stack, 2020 timestamp stacks, TS24 fast array based stack, FAS25 wait free with the stamp of the WFDWS29. So the most specific characteristics of these stacks are listed. So these are the non-blocking stack or BS using MCS locks 2023 and IBM. ABA problem show advantage and others pointers both ABA and memory recollection problems 1517. So EBS 22 and 23 is the first scalable lock-free stack of SMS. So SMMS, and the FAS 25 is the high like the mechanism 31, which has the performance of 29, which is the mechanism 31 to make TSS wait free and recommended with the IBM tags also to solve ABA problems. So the experimental research 24 shows you the TSS of EBS. So this is the IBM tags which always cope with the ABA problem by using the timestamp scheme and to reclaim unused memory. A general approach for supporting distributed non-blocking DSEs. So it's like something in the sections we are present with a 64-bit global pointer design as a set of primitives accessing the synchronization of the global memory. Tagging to them is exhibiting non-blocking cases on SSMS and DMMS. So the listing one is the global point structures at the global pointer structure U int 64 underscore T rank 24 U 64 offset 40. So as showing at the list one and 64 global of two members. One is to determine which process is the holding global memory pointed to the global pointer is offset and to address of the global memory, and absolute addresses of data elements calculated using the formula where U x plus y equals 64, and it says the data 2 into 64 data elements. Table 1 is the most popular sector stacks for SSMS. So this is the listing to where the coding is the deload global pointers, here templates and the void period model when sync. So this coding helps you to explain or get details of these for both the most popular stacks for the SMMS. So the architecture model is where you can see this. There is five tech stacks, mean, lamp, serverless, meme, and there are GSM network, and you have the many of the connected components in here, and you have the server, GCM, SSMP server, API, CD, API delivery, DLR, OTAR, SSMP client, JCCL, Jasmine console. So the methodology is an optimistic non-blocking stack which has the pop local done. With this coding you can even know this methodology of the non-blocking stack, and the non-blocking options is where the non-blocking options generally have advantages over blocking algorithms, are more tolerant of a page faults, and the preemption sets a thread of the stop running does not prevent threads for working progress. So they can be safely used in signal event and interrupt handlers. So for some data structures including stacks, queues and hash tables, the memory management non-blocking algorithms are even faster than locks. So the conclusion is so in this paper we propose that the general approach of existing non-blocking DSE is available in the use of DMMS. So this approach includes the 64-bit global pointer design is a set of primitives accessing the synchronizing operations of global memory. In addition, we present the global memory management scheme taking advantage as hardest pointers of implementations of details of server distributed non-blocking stacks based on proposed model. The global memory manager not only deals with the memories, the recognition, but the ABAs, the naturals in the context of SMMS. Moreover, we provide a survey in existing non-blocking stacks together with our empirical findings of DWMS. The experimental research shows that EBMs to enhance IE performance stack in the context of DWMS. So we give an example to optimize the performance and distributed EBMS by using the node elimination arrays. So this has the promising performance and improvement of the distribution non-blocking queues. We provide an experimental evolution distributed non-blocking stacks and so far. So hence we continue the performance as well as cumulative distributed non-blocking DSEs and next work. So this is the stack data structure where there is the items pushed or popped into this. So this is about the non-blocking data structures taking stack as an example. Thank you.